Admittedly, you viewer. Now, you might not think of anchovy and steak as a particularly winning combination, but maybe this recipe will help to change your mind. Melt 30 grams of butter in a pan. Now add in 4 finely chopped shallots and a crushed clove of garlic. Mix and cook gently until the shallots are soft. Soft. Now add in half a cup of cream. You can either use single cream or whipping cream, and a heaped teaspoon of dried tarragon. Stir well, then add in 25 grams of chopped anchovies. For clarity, I'm talking about these kinds of anchovies that come in a full metal jacket. Bring to the boil. Once it starts to boil, turn the heat right down and let it cook very gently for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can turn off the heat. Time for the steak. Now what I've got here is a couple of fillet steaks, but you could also use sirloin. It's always good to get the steak out of the fridge a couple of hours before you cook it, so that all the fibres can go shiggle. Season well on both sides. Heat 10 grams of butter in a pan, then gently fry the steaks. You're going to want to cook these for about 8 minutes or so, 6 minutes on one side, then turn over. Come here! And cook for another couple of minutes. Now these tongs were my mother's. She's sadly no longer with us, but she lives on through these tongs. Then transfer the steaks to a nice warmed plate. Now we're not going to waste these lovely juices, no siree bob. We'll add in 2 teaspoons of water. This is a dessert spoon, by the way, before people comment. Then add in the anchovy sauce. Mix it all around. And we're just going to cook this for just 1 or 2 minutes. Pour the sauce on the steak and serve with potatoes and green beans. All you need now to complete this meal is a drop-dead gorgeous man on the other side of the table from you and a good glass of red wine. Santé!